Hey guys, today I'm filming my 6th update for my Rolling Project Pan Sample Edition. If you guys have not seen my intro or any of my other updates, I'll have my playlist linked up above. And I have this in the description box of all of my videos, but I need to remember to mention it verbally. I wanted to tell you guys about the 3 ladies that inspired me to do this project. The first would of course be LS and her 365 Days of Sample series. Elle is the one to have started that on YouTube. She's been doing it for years now and I absolutely love it. Elle just revamped the way she does hers, which is super fun, so you guys need to check that out. Also, Lizzie Loves Life does the 365 Days of Sample series, and she is doing a year-long rolling project pan, which is really fun but sounds a little challenging. I like to be able to pick the makeup products that I pan, but I think it's really fun to always watch her updates. And then my friend Amanda is doing a rolling project pan of all mini makeup products, which is really fun. So all 3 of those ladies inspired me to do my sample project pan this way, because last year I was doing a sample project pan, but instead they were only 2 months, so I would post an intro, an update, and a finale, and then start a new one, and that just felt kind of all over the place. So this has such a better flow to just do it rolling style and update every month. Unfortunately, I started this in February. I wish I started this in January, but anyway, I plan on continuing to do this next year because I do get so many samples with orders and free gifts with purchase, and I am subscribed to Sephora Play, so I get quite a few deluxe size skin and hair care products through there, and I'm someone that's terrible about using products unless they're in a project, and it's so much more fun for me this way. So that's why I'm choosing to do this. Also, I wanted to let you guys know that I don't review the products until I finish them. That way these updates don't feel so repetitive and I'm not telling you the same thing month to month. Just so you guys know that. So anyway, let's get into it. I will start with the items that I finished up, and then I will show you all of the items I'm continuing to work on, as well as the new products. I'll have everything listed and linked in the description box and split up into sections of finished, in progress, and new items. So I was actually able to use up 8 items within this past month, which is pretty good for me. The first thing I accidentally threw away, which is killing me, but it is the Boscia Makeup Breakup Cleansing Oil. That did do a nice job of breaking up my makeup, but it felt super greasy and oily and kind of heavy. I didn't like it. I've tried others that I prefer. I think the Derma-E cleansing oil is really nice. It breaks down liquid eyeliners, liquid lipsticks, my heavy face makeup really well. But you guys know I'm just not a cleansing oil girl because I think it's way too messy. So it's not something that I would purchase. The other thing I finished up is the Too Faced Mascara Melt Off Cleansing Oil Waterproof Mascara Dissolver. So basically you have a cleansing oil in the tube, and then the applicator is this little plastic brush, looks like a mascara wand, that helps you really get in between your lashes. I have gotten a bit of this in my eye and it will get a little cloudy, but it doesn't burn, which is fantastic. So even though this totally works and it's not a gimmick, it isn't something that's really necessary because I am able to get off my mascara with my MakeUpForEver wipes or the cleansing gel I use in the shower. So it's a great product. I would be happy to have more samples of it, but it's not something I would purchase because it's not necessary for me. Then I have my day serum and night serum. The day one I was using is the Murad Rapid Collagen Infusion. This did not feel like a typical serum. It was like a light lotion which blended into the skin really easily. It sunk in quickly. I like the way it felt on my skin, but the smell of this is disgusting. And the thing is, it smells very pleasant in the tube, but once you start rubbing it on your face, my hands smelled so bad. It just smelled like something kind of sour or off, and this is not an old sample at all. So I don't know what the deal is with that. I like the way it felt on my skin. I didn't notice any difference in my skin, unfortunately, but I think that is kind of common when you're using deluxe samples of skincare products. You have to use them for longer to see results. But anyway, I like the way it felt, but because of this scent, how gross it was to me, I would not purchase this product. For my night serum, I was using the Philosophy Time in a Bottle Repair Serum, and this is a really thin consistency. It soaks into the skin quickly, which I like. It has like a really nice velvety feel to it, but this smells like Elmer's glue. I don't know why both of these smelled on me. They're not old, but this freaking stinks. And again, I feel like it doesn't, maybe a little bit, but it doesn't really smell like glue in the tube, but when I put it on my skin, it smells like glue. So it's expensive. I like the way it felt. I didn't notice it did anything for me, and I do not like the scent, so I will not repurchase that. Then for my moisturizers for the daytime, I finally finished this. This is the Boscia Revitalizing Black Hydration Gel. I was here at my last update and it is completely used up. I really do enjoy this product. It has like a light, fresh scent to it, which I love. It's like a little charcoaly and a little minty, but not too strong, because I do have another one I'll talk about that is way too minty for me. The consistency is awesome. It is really thin. It just blends into my skin so nicely. It gives the perfect amount of moisture for my oily skin. It didn't make me greasy, but also it didn't mess up any of my makeup, because sometimes mattifying moisturizers do not mesh well with primers and foundations. I had zero trouble with this one, so I really enjoyed this product, and it's something that I would consider purchasing. And then my nighttime moisturizer I finished last night, so I'm excited that I waited to start filming videos again, and this is the Benefit Total Moisture Facial Cream. I love the jar. It's so cute, so retro looking. The scent is really light and very fresh. I definitely love this scent. This does hydrate well, but you have to use this at night because this feels very heavy on the skin, a little sticky, but it does not sink in, like at all. Like eventually it does. When I woke up in the morning, I didn't feel like I still had it on my skin, but at night I just was like, ugh. And you guys knew me, I don't pile on product. I'm pretty conservative with the amount of skincare product I use every day, but dang, this was so heavy feeling. So if you have super dry skin and you're looking for a nighttime moisturizer, this might be good for you, but wasn't something that I was interested in. But I will be keeping this jar because it's precious. And then I had the two moisturizer samples I had put in this project. This is the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream Anti-Aging Moisturizer. This has a really nice, light, sweet scent that I enjoyed. This is something that is also heavier that I would use as a night moisturizer, but it didn't feel as heavy and goopy on my skin as the Benefit. So if I would recommend one over the other, I would recommend the IT Cosmetics one to use as a night cream. I don't see myself buying this, but it wasn't a bad product at all. Then we have the Clinique Moisture Surge Hydrating Supercharge Concentrate. I told you guys in my last update, like the Moisture Surge line from Clinique is extensive. Like I don't even know how you can come up with that many kinds of moisturizers, but I'll tell you, this is gross. Gross. It felt like actual jelly on my skin, like peanut butter and jelly. It was so gross. It was sticky and felt like gooey and just disgusting. No, I cannot get behind this consistency. It didn't make me feel super moisturized. It took a while to sink in. It was a little sticky, just gross. So as you can see from this, smells and consistencies are like my two no-goes. So absolutely not. I would not, even if I got a deluxe sample of that, I don't think I would even want to finish it up. I did not like the way it felt on my skin. My last little sample here is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Boom Boom Cream. You guys know how much everybody loves this, and I've had this sample for a little bit and I finally decided to use it. You guys, this is good. It's good. I did not want to like this at all. And I had tried this in store and I was like, phew, it is way too strong for me. And when I put this on my skin, I smell it, but it's not overpowering. But when I move my arm around and it like wafts in the air, I can smell it more than I can on my skin. So I don't know what it is about that, but it is a great scent. And this totally sinks into the skin really quickly, way quicker than I expected. A lot of lotions say that, but you can still feel a little slimy. No, this completely soaks in. And I was using it on my hands. That's the only dry part of my whole body. And it made my hands feel really moisturized. They smelled amazing. So I do have a little mini size I had gotten in a Sephora Play, but this is something that I would be happy to get more samples of or get some minis of, but it is so expensive because it is supposed to firm your skin. If you use it every freaking day, it's way too expensive for a regular lotion. But if I have any opportunity to get samples or little minis, I will take the opportunity because I love the scent and it actually hydrated really well. So now I will show you guys all of the new items and the items in progress. I have them all mixed up in the order that I would apply them to my hair or my skin, but everything will be separated in the description box products, as I said. So I finally finished the full-size conditioner that I've had in the shower. I finished it right before we moved. So basically from now until the end of the year, I am going to be using all of my deluxe size deep conditioners or hair masks as a substitute for conditioner. I'm not even going to buy another bottle until I finish all of these because I have so many that I have gotten from Sephora Plays and with free gifts and whatnot. But I have also accumulated somehow quite a few shampoo and conditioner foil packets, so I want to use those as well. So every update until I finish these up, I'm going to be including a shampoo conditioner packet and a deluxe size deep conditioner hair mask type product. And then I will use these first. Once I finish the shampoo in here, I'll use the shampoo in the shower. Once I finish the conditioner in here, I will use the deluxe size product I'm including. That way I can get through these. I don't need to collect these. So what I have for the foil packets here would be the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Shampoo and Conditioner, which I don't think I've tried before. And then for the deluxe sample deep conditioning hair product, this is the Joico K-Pack Color Therapy Luster Lock. I have been using this for a little while now, you guys. This smells amazing. It definitely smells like salon quality hair products, and it makes my hair so silky soft. Like even before I brush it out, right when I get out of the shower, I just touch my hair and I'm like, whoa. So I'm really enjoying this. So I'll be working on both of these hair products this month, and then everything else is skincare. So the first thing I have is the Philosophy Purity Cleanser. My mark came off of this, even though I put clear nail polish on top of these. When they're in the shower, for some reason, like the nail polish just like peels right off. So I have no idea where I was. I was near the top, I know that, but I have used up quite a bit. I am almost at the halfway point, which is really exciting. This will probably take me 2 more months to use up because y'all know I don't use that much product. This is a really great basic cleanser. It has a really nice fresh scent. Some people use this as a makeup remover. I've never tried it that way, but I should, just to see how it works. So I will definitely do that this month. Then of course I have a day and a night serum. For the day, I'm a little nervous about this. This is the MakeUpForEver Ultra HD Skin Booster. It is a Hydro Plump serum. This is something that should probably be better for me in the winter time, but I think of the serums I have right now, this is one of the older ones. So I'm just going to use it and see how it goes. So let me know if you guys have tried this. It's really interesting that there's a couple like random skincare products in the MakeUpForEver line. And then my night serum is the Lancome Genifique Youth Activating Concentrate. Used this before, didn't really see any results from it, but it wasn't a bad product and I don't mind using it. So day and night serum. So then I have a daytime and nighttime moisturizer. For the day, I'm using the Ole Henriksen Counterbalance Oil Control Hydrator. As soon as I finished the Boscia, I started using this one. So I think I'm about halfway done with this. I have already reviewed this before. I'm actually really enjoying it this month because I am at my oiliest basically. And this almost smells too pepperminty and too fresh like mouthwash, but when I used it in the little foil sample, it bothered me more than it does now. I think I've just gotten used to it, and I do like this product quite a bit, so I'll be using that for day, but I don't think that will last me the whole month. So after I finish that, I want to try to use some of the foil sample packets that I have. So I have the Ole Henriksen Sheer Transformation Perfecting Moisturizer. I've used this before and really like this. And then I also have a sample of the Boscia Revitalizing Black Hydration Gel, which is one I just finished and I know I like. So these are great for me in this. So both of these are great for me in the summertime. So I want to go ahead and use the foil packets because I don't want to get a big collection of those. And for my nighttime moisturizer, I'll be using the Fresh Black Tea Firming Corset Cream for face and neck. My friend Amanda sent this to me quite a while ago, so I'm really excited to use this. I don't plan on putting it on my neck. I know you're supposed to do that, but for me, I'm just like, you know, that's wasteful, but if I have some left on my hands, I'll give it a little rub down. So I'm going to be using that, but first, I also have a foil sample I just want to go on and use up. This is the Murad Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture. I can't remember if I've used this before or not. It feels like there's like one use in here, so I might as well go ahead and finish that as well. So that's what I've got for moisturizer. For eye cream, I have the Belief Moisturizing Eye Balm. You guys need the tiniest amount of this. This is going to last me 4 months, and this is a sample, so the full size would probably just last you for years. So I'm enjoying using this. I use it morning and night. I just don't need a ton of that, and I do tend to have those little milia bumps under my eyes, so I definitely don't want to use too much eye cream. Next thing I have is the GlamGlow Super Mud Clearing Treatment. It's the GlamGlow mask in the white tube. I think I used it 3 times this month actually, which is really impressive for me. So this one, I want to make myself finish it by next month. I need to try to use it once a week. And again, I don't put this all over my face. I don't put it on my cheeks because I don't need to, but I put it basically everywhere else. So hopefully I can get this finished by next month. I still have not used the Skin Inc Pure Revival Peel. It's just too much for me to have both of these at the same time because I don't really do extra, and I like to just do these products when I don't have other makeup on. So once I finish this, I will dedicate myself to working on this item as well. So guys, that was my rolling project pan sample edition update number 6. If you guys are doing a project like this on your channel, I would love to know in the comments, and I would also love to know your thoughts on any of the products that I've mentioned here. You guys know I don't know that much about skincare, so I really love your feedback. So I'm going to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye guys.